When it comes to the inbound methodology, it's all about attracting the right audience. But wait, who exactly needs a research report during this critical attract stage? Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Businesses and professionals around the world are constantly seeking data-driven insights to make informed decisions. That's where research reports come in. Academicians and students. Academicians and students often turn to research reports to validate their hypotheses, gather data for their studies, or simply stay updated on the latest industry trends. Entrepreneurs and startups. Entrepreneurs and startups. In the initial phases, they desperately need market data to validate their business ideas, identify gaps, and understand their target audience better. Journalists and media professionals. Journalists and media professionals often leverage research reports to back up their stories, providing their audience with factual, data-driven content. Industry analysts and consultants. And of course, industry analysts and consultants. They constantly need in-depth insights to advise their clients or audiences. So, from executives to students, from startups to media pros, a vast range of personas needs research reports during the attract stage of the inbound methodology. Remember, it's all about providing value. And what better way to attract your audience than by offering insightful, data-driven research? Attract with insight. Shine with data. In conclusion, ebooks can be a powerful tool in the inbound methodology. By using ebooks to attract potential customers, generate leads, nurture leads, and provide ongoing value, you can create a valuable resource that helps you attract, engage, and delight your target audience. Remember to focus on providing value and solving problems for your audience, and you will see success with your ebook in the inbound methodology. I hope this video helps you to develop engaging ebook content to provide insights and strategies for effectively attracting, converting, closing, and delighting customers. I am Rosie with Optimerkt Consulting, your premier inbound marketing strategy authority. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.